Hello, this lesson I will show you how to clean point cloud. First step, we'll use bundle cloud view. We make it like top view and we'll use polygon line and we just choose border around our property, maybe 5 meters more. After we have two options, delete inside or delete outside. Here for us is better delete outside. All around our border will delete it. Like this we will make it more easy and more quickly export to another program, and AutoCAD also will be more easy work if you have less point. After we have like this, if you, for example, we need restore some point, we can use same tools. For example, we can choose this area and press just restore inside or outside. Here is better restore inside. You can see our point come back, and we can make it again our line and delete inside. Second step, us need detect moving object, because now we have a lot people inside, we have also a lot mirror give it to us reflection like this. Outside, this come after mirror. For automatically detect this object, need to use bundle, right click, detect moving object. Press here, program will be automatically find and mark it move object. After we can delete all move object. Now we just need to wait. After finish this process, need press show moved point and program show it to us all point what program find like detect moving point. We can see people inside. Now it's color red. For delete red color point, all moving point, just need press delete all mark it. Now we deleted all moved point. And last option how we can clean point cloud, it is remove it, for example this car, this bike. For this need detect press this button, find smooth surface. After just need double click left mouse for surface. Program mark it to us point what we have not on the top surface. What we have red color we can delete, gray color we can't. Also we press left double click on the top pavement for mark this pavement like gray color. Now we can delete all red dot or we can use just same tools like polygonal. We'll make it around this bike, around these people, and press delete inside. All red dot will be deleted. Sometimes it needs for clean point cloud. If you will use this place for make it line, for create orthophoto for elevation. Delete inside. We clean this space nearly our elevation. After just need again press same button for go back. We clean our point cloud. Thank you for attention. See you for next lesson.